Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video we will be cleaning my refrigerator along with my freezer drawers at the bottom. So let's start cleaning. Now that I've cleaned out the refrigerator, it is time to go through everything and throw anything old in the trash. Now that I've gone through and got rid of any old food, it is time to wipe down the refrigerator. So somebody spilled something, of course, in the refrigerator and did not clean it up. So I'm just trying to spray some Dawn Power Wash and then try to rinse it out with some water. Off camera, I just cleaned the glass shelves and now I'm putting them back. So this is The fridge all cleaned out, nice and clean, smelling good, and time to put all of the items back inside the refrigerator. Going to wash out the vegetable and fruit drawers, but first I have to put up all of the dishes from like the leftovers from Thanksgiving and all of just the little Tupperware. What do you guys think? Is this looking much better? Comment down below. Now we're moving to my freezer drawers. They are, of course, packed with things. We don't even know what's in there, so we just keep rebuying things. But today I'm gonna get that cleaned out. I use my Arm & Hammer wipes to just clean out anything that might be, gross or contaminate some stuff. And then I'm just going to wipe everything down with the Mrs. Meyers Snowdrop scent and a microfiber towel. This will be my first time using this Weiman stainless steel cleaner, and I think it turned out really good. I actually like it. My fridge was super shiny. I just want to let you guys know that I was tired after doing all of this cleaning to the refrigerator, but it was so well worth it. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys think that the fridge looks good. Now that we've cleaned the refrigerator, it's time to tidy up the kitchen so I can be done, because tonight my husband is cooking dinner and not me. If you made it this far in the video, that means you are liking what you see, and that makes me so happy. And I just want to thank all of my returners for coming back. Hey guys. And also I want to say hi to anybody that is new and introduce myself. I'm Gail. I'm a mommy of 3 kiddos, and I'm also married, and I have a crazy yappy dog, but that's beside the point. Anyway, I like to do all different types of things around the home, and that's pretty much what my channel is about. Lifestyle, cleaning, a little decorating, a little bit of DIYing. So if you're interested in content like this, please don't forget to like, comment, and hit that subscribe button. Well guys, we've made it to the end of the video. I want to thank you so much for stopping and taking the time out of your day to watch my video. And if you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe. It really helps out my channel. And until next time, everybody, bye.